Such an amazing thing we're doing here right now. Rivers of Life has partnered with Dow and Living Lands and Waters. We're here for the big race weekend.
It's a collaboration of Ducks Unlimited and RCR Racing and our number 3, Austin Dillon.
The whole organization and mission is built on like-minded people working together to make a big difference. I think it's a great thing to do, and I think it's a patriotic thing to do.
Just a really great way to take an activation and a really fun event, but also make it really meaningful and impactful.
Hey, everyone out here doing some cool stuff for Rivers of Life and picking up a lot of trash right here off the Mississippi River, and then take it back, get rid of it, clean up our river.
Really demonstrates how much waste flows into these islands when the floodwaters rise. But probably most important, it's the power of collective impact.
Doing a cleanup's really tangible. You know you're making a difference. It's instant.
We are protecting the rivers, which is what we're about. Protect the places we play. That's how you be alive. And now it's time to head to the track. An incredible weekend celebrating water and nature, and that is what collaboration is all about.